Well, yes, I realize it is an overused cliche, but dare I say, spring has sprung here in Georgia. Welcome back to the Farm Monitor and to another edition of Meals from the Field. Joining me as always, my good dear friend, Marcia Crowley. And yes, springtime is officially here in Georgia. Really the only thing in season that's coming into season right now, we talked about beef is always in season. So we've got beef today, we got strawberries that are in season. And of course, April 12th is pack date for Vidalia onions. So we're going to be using some onions today, but they are not Vidalia in full disclosure.
They're not out yet.
But yes, packing date coming up April 12th. So go out and get you some Vidalias when those things hit the stores.
They're so
How
good.
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm going to let you take it away.
Okay. Well, we're doing a steak and roasted onion salad. So you, this is like 2 onions that you slice. You're going to pour like 2 tablespoons of olive oil over these, and you're going to roast them in the oven for like 10-15 minutes till they start to soften. Okay, and that's really the star of this salad. Let me move this out of the way. And I know all your viewers know how to make a salad. I'm just doing this so they know what's going in it, okay? All right, this is mushrooms and radishes, and of course you can swap out any ingredient that your family doesn't like, but this just really sets off the steak. The roasted onions, and these are really, really good in there. It makes a big difference.
And it doesn't matter what onion you use, correct?
Once you roast it, you know,
yeah,
a sweet onion is going to be better with the steak. With blue cheese, but you could substitute any kind of cheese that you like, crumbled. And steak. And I grilled this steak, marinated it, and grilled it. And it's a really good marinade, has Coca-Cola in it. So I will put that on when I send you the recipes, so it'll all be together. You just grill it to the way you like it, or you don't have to marinate it. You can really fix the steak any way you like it.
That's my kind of steak.
Yeah.
Some pink in there, you know.
And you're going to serve this with your favorite salad dressing.
Okay.
And you could make one, of course, if you wanted to.
That is the steak
and onion salad.
Steak and onion salad.
And it goes really well with this cheese bread. The dry ingredients are flour, baking powder, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of garlic. I've already got that in there. You're going to stir in a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, grated. And I find if you grate your own cheese, it works so much better than the stuff you buy already grated, if you have time. 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. This is so good. It got rave reviews. 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions. You're going to mix all that up. Then you're going to add the wet ingredients, which are 2 eggs beaten, a cup of buttermilk.
Real buttermilk.
Real buttermilk. I mean, you could use milk. This just makes a big difference to me. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Before you add that to the dry ingredients, you're going to incorporate 4 tablespoons of butter. Now, it works better if the butter's cold and you cut it in there, but with the lights and all, it's not cold anymore. So we're going to pretend that's all mixed up really good. Then you add these wet ingredients. And like I said, this is a hit. You can make this ahead and put it under the broiler for a minute. What's that?
That's a foreign object that somehow got in there?
Yeah, somehow. You just mix this up, pour it in a loaf pan, and you're going to bake this at 375 for 40 to 50 minutes and check it to make sure. You know what that was in there? It was a green onion.
Oh.
I already forgot I put those in there.
And it's kind of got that vibe. We won't mention the famous seafood restaurant.
Cheddar Bay biscuits.
Yes, yeah. That's kind of got that, but in a loaf of bread type style.
Yeah, and it's way easier. All right, we'll move that out of the way.
Right, now you see the finished product of that.
And last but not least is a strawberry crisp. And this is 4 cups of sliced strawberries. I've already got in there cornstarch, lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar. And you're going to make the crisp, which is butter. Kind of mix that up a little bit. 3/4 cup of quick cooking oats. think this is a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, but it'll be right on the rest on the website. You mix all that up, and you're going to crumble it over this blueberry, over the blueberries. Those are strawberries, right?
Those are strawberries.
Yeah, blueberries are blue.
Strawberries are blue.
Yeah,
Or, excuse me, blueberries are
you
blue.
could
kind of
use
purplish.
blueberries.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're just going to crumble this over this crisp and bake it for 30 minutes until it starts to bubble.
Occasionally, we have to go back to the basics, don't we?
The basics. This is black. This is red.
So,
And
yes,
that's it.
those are freshly Georgia-grown strawberries that we're using as well. So there you have it, your springtime recipes. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, you can find these recipes by logging on to our website, farm-monitor.com. Scroll all the way up to the top. Hit recipes. Everything is on there for you. Recipes dating back months and years. Years. So we continue just to add to that. And as always, Marcia does a great job.
It's a very good collection.
It's a very good collection, and we cannot thank you as always. We love what you do. We love your food. So hopefully we can continue this. So anyway, good to see you again,
Good to see
Marcia.
you, Ray.
Good to see you, and we will talk again next month.